Welcome to FireFlink. In this video, the focus will be on understanding two powerful and time-saving features in automation: parameterized step groups and nested step groups. These features help increase reusability, maintain cleaner scripts, and bring greater modularity to automation projects. Let's explore how they can be applied effectively within FireFlink. To begin with, let's understand what is meant by step group parameterization with the help of a simple scenario. Imagine there's a step group created to handle the login steps for an e-commerce application called ShopperStack. Now, within a module, suppose there are multiple scripts. One script needs to log in as a shopper, another as a merchant, and a third one as an admin. If a regular variable is used inside the step group, it will hold a constant value. This means it will always log in as one specific user type, either shopper, merchant, or admin, depending on the value assigned. To allow flexibility and log in as different users across multiple scripts using the same step group, parameterized step groups come into play. Let's walk through how to create one. First, navigate to the repository section and select the Step Groups tab. Now, observe that a step group for login has already been created. Let's open that step group. Next to the Step Groups tab, there's a quick access panel where an option called Parameters is available. Click on the Parameters option, and a slider will open up, allowing parameter creation. Here, two parameters need to be created, one for email and one for password. Click on the Plus Parameter button, enter the name as email, and select the parameter type as string, and then click Create. Repeat the same process for the password parameter. Click on Plus Parameter, name it as password, set the type as string, and click Create. Now both parameters are ready to use. Close the parameter slider to return to the step group steps. Go to the relevant step where the email variable is used. Remove the variable and call the newly created parameter using the $ symbol. Select it from the dropdown. Repeat the same process for the password step, replacing the variable with the password parameter. At this point, the step group becomes a parameterized step group. To use this step group in a script, navigate to the test development section and select any script. Click on the Add Step button, search for the step group by name, and select it from the suggestions list. Once selected, the system will prompt the user to enter values for email and password. Enter the credentials relevant to that script, and the login will be performed for that specific user. This process can be repeated across various scripts using different credentials each time, demonstrating the core advantage of parameterized step groups, that is, executing the same logic with different sets of data. Now, moving on to nested step groups. A nested step group is simply a step group that is used within another step group. Consider the same login step group discussed earlier. On expanding it, notice the very first step, Navigate to ShopperStack, is itself a step group. To explore this, click on the name of the step group name, and then click on the Open Step Group icon. This allows viewing the internal steps of the nested step group. Additionally, an arrow button is available beside the step, which when clicked, expands to show the steps inside the nested group as well. To conclude this video, the functionality and advantages of parameterized step groups and nested step groups were explored. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more or schedule a free demo, visit www.fireflink.com.